Chidi.
I'm so happy.
You too, yeah? Oh my.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my unfinished villa tour. I'm so excited. After a year of starting this project, I'm back in Bali and I want to show you guys where we are at today because the after is going to be even more amazing. So let me show you guys what you guys can expect from this incredible villa. This is my first property here in Bali and I'm just super excited. I have Pancha.
Hey.
I have Pancha here with me and I have Adi.
Hi.
So guys, these are they're like my family here in Bali. Literally, they have taken such good care of me from the moment I got to Bali. Literally, I don't have any other friends aside from these two over here in Bali. So I'm super excited that they're here and they're gonna show us the house. So let's get into it, guys. So guys, we have, first of all, when you come into the villa, the pool, the center of everything. Adi, give us the specs on the pool.
3 times 10 meters. That's very big.
Guys, this pool is huge. Like, we're gonna be swimming laps in this pool. Not really. We're gonna be chilling, but this pool is huge. I'm like, it was actually originally meant to be much smaller, but we actually decided to increase the size of the pool just because it's the center of the home. And here in Bali, having a pool is a necessity with how hot it is. So guys, let me show you guys.
Hey guys. For the pool, we have a modern style and then luxury style. We put glass on this side. Infinity. That's very good design.
And where are we getting the glass from? Tell them that.
We find the glass from the East Java, with the name Surabaya. Because in Bali, they don't have the very thick glass for swimming pool. We must find at the Surabaya. Thank you.
Look at these spacious living rooms. Very, very huge living room that probably you never see in another villa. So this one is 12 times 7 meters. So it's best for, you know, parties and drinks and chatter, accommodating lots of people here. And when you're sitting here, then you can see the view of the rice fields and imagine that this is paradise.
So we've made this villa to be really open because I mean this is the view. I mean the views are incredible, right? So this is gonna be glass. Tell us more about that.
Yeah. We want to put the big glass screen, so very easy to someone to see the outside for the nice view. So we need big glass. Thank you.
Adi, you don't have to say thank you.
If you want to put like a green, you know, environmentally friendly
Right.
villas, yeah. So like in other villas,
Like
now in Bali,
sun?
that they open during the day. Please open your living room.
Yeah. I think at least one there
One PK just
and
for
one, two. Yeah. One here and one here. Yeah.
for outdoor living.
We're gonna have like a couch here, something like that. Be like an outdoor kitchen or a
Yes.
barbecue.
Yeah.
I think will be cool. Yeah, like right here with a nice thing. So how are we gonna? What's gonna happen in between here? This is gonna be the sunken.
Plants pool over here.
Okay, got it. So like
Plants
a sunken
pool.
area, right?
Sunken
Yes.
area.
Sunken area.
We can't go upstairs, right? So this is gonna be the staircase
Yes,
to
yeah.
go up.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And then you have the landing.
Yeah.
And then it
Have a
goes.
void. Yeah, void of void.
Okay, perfect. So it goes up
Yeah.
on either side.
Yes.
Okay, great. Here, so this wall
Yes.
is gonna be. So
This
from
kitchen.
where's the kitchen gonna start?
Kitchen from here start.
Okay.
Kitchen over here.
All right. Huge.
In the middle.
Right. Island. Right.
Yes. Yeah. We put island in.
Okay. Got
Over there, sofa,
it. Right.
and then with the plug on the floor.
Right. We need to have. So here.
On this area, we make like a big toilet outside. So, but we still put the glass to make not touched by the waters or raining or something, whatever. So, this very big toilet.
So we are right now with this unfinished building, but our completion date is
It will be in February.
yes.
Yeah. So we start resume our villa here from next week, the beginning of December.
Right.
And the workers is coming, they're ready, and they will work hard and make it finish around 90 days.
Right, right.
it will be
So,
so exciting.
guys, you know, due to the whole COVID situation, our original due date was July 2020. But of course, with everything going on in the world, we had to put a hold on things. All the workers had to go back, and we had to kind of just put everything came to a stop, really. And it was really disappointing at first, but I'm glad that I'm back now and I can really be here for the remaining process to finish up the villa, to get everything going, to see my main man, Adi and Pancha again. And guys, the workers are going to be coming back. We're going to get back into it. And February 2021, stay tuned because we're going to be coming to you guys with an after video to show you guys the finished product. I'm super excited for it, so stay tuned for that. What's up, guys? So we have a busy day ahead of us. I was up early since 6 a.m. With loads of meetings to attend to. So I had to do a couple trainings for the new staff that we just hired. And then I had to jump on a couple calls. And now I've gotten dressed. I've had some breakfast. And now I'm going to be heading out to my construction site to see what the progress is like. We've actually just restarted construction a couple days ago. They're working currently on the electricity and the plumbing. So I'm going to go check that out. And then after that, I'm meeting up with the interior design team just to go over some materials for the flooring, for the pool, and for the bedroom. So I'm going to be picking out some materials, which is super fun. And then we are going to go furniture shopping and check out some furniture, some bathtubs, and all of that. I'm super excited. It's going to be a fun day ahead. So stay tuned for all the good stuff because it's going to be super, super interesting. I'm going to show you guys some of the furniture here, some of the decisions I'm making. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's go, guys. What's up, guys? I'm back at the construction site. I just had a quick meeting with Adi and Pancha. And we just discussed some last minute changes that we need to make and just some adjustments and what the progress is going to be like over the next week or so. So I'm super excited to just get things going. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys briefly. That's Adi and Pancha. So we were just talking about, obviously, the next thing that we need to do is get the staircase going. So there's actually going to be a staircase over here. There's going to be a staircase over here going upstairs, and it's going to be a floating staircase. And this is going to be the kitchen area. The kitchen is really huge. So it's going to be an L-shaped kitchen with an island right here in the middle, which I really love. And then this is going to be an outdoor space with another outdoor dining table, a space to look out to the rice fields, a little bar area. And this is going to be the living room. So this is the living room area. There's going to be a big couch. And then, of course, the entire living room is going to be covered. There's going to be glass doors all throughout so that you really get to take in these incredible rice field views. Right now, they are not currently harvesting the rice, so it doesn't look as good, but in different seasons, it looks amazing. All right, guys, so as I've already shown you the living room, and the only thing I'm a bit sad about is that you guys can't see what upstairs looks like because there are going to be 3 bedrooms upstairs. Well, 2 big bedrooms, and then there's going to be an office space as well, because I have just wanted an office space for the longest time, especially working from, co-working spaces, cafes, all of that. I just want a quiet space that I can go, work, have meetings, shoot videos as well, I guess now, since I'm a YouTuber. So yeah, we're going to have an office space upstairs, and we're also going to have a rooftop, and I want to make that rooftop like really fun, cozy space that you can come and just enjoy the views and relax. Again, this villa is really meant to be like a chill villa, somewhere that you can really just get away from all the noise. And the location is strategic that you can be able to head out to the center and to the cafes and restaurants whenever you need to. So really, really super excited about it. Pancha is just congratulating me on hitting so many views on the Why I Moved to Bali video. Oh, thank you guys. I'm really excited. And thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to come back with more vids, right? Adi, we need to make this villa video amazing. It's going to be amazing? Yes. So guys, we're just planning how we're going to sort out the rice fields in front right here and just ensure that the views are insane. And then we're also looking at potential extra builds that we're going to do in the future. So I'm super excited about that because this is not going to be the only property that I'm working on. I want to actually invest in more property here in Bali. And so I might do that in this area and develop 1-bedroom units around here. So we'll see how that goes. So guys, I was just speaking to Pancha about how much money that we saved in the process of building this villa, just because we really took the time to work with locals at every single stage. A lot of people, when they come to Bali, they end up working with foreigners who bump up the prices like crazy. So if you buy something, like let's say you buy furniture that a local here in Bali could make for like $100 and a foreigner sells it to you, you're probably going to end up paying like $300-400. And that's the same with purchasing property here, working with agents here. You need to be careful about who you're working with because the prices will go with that. Obviously, foreigners will charge foreign prices and locals will charge local prices, right? So Pancha, let's talk a little bit about what we did from the beginning to work with the local community, how we found the land and all of that. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Well, for the first time I met Chidi, she's very interested to invest, the building of properties, and which is very great news. And then I introduced her to find the local owner of the land because my experiences is, working with the foreigners is a little bit, challenging. And then I met the direct with the local the owners, and then I show the land, and then in terms of the price as well is very affordable, very cheap,
Right.
and
what was crazy is the villa, the land that I was seeing before was 2-3 times the cost.
Correct,
before Pancha introduced me to the landowner, and I was like, wow, are you sure this is like, I was like, oh, I'm not sure what it's actually is this actually legit? Because it was so crazy how much more affordable it was than the other land that I saw.
Yeah, and finally you see now the building here, and wait until it finished, and then you will be surprised.
Right.
So working with the locals, and then also on the other side is you support the locals. When you are in Bali, you support the locals and build a good relationship with the locals, so that the building process and everything is secure and safe and very successful.
Exactly. And another thing, Pancha, that we forgot to touch on was that when we purchased the land, we met with a lot of the local leaders here in the community, and that also made the process better because you want to make sure that when you are investing locally, the locals feel good about you being there. You don't want to just come in, purchase land, and just build something ridiculous and not really take into consideration what's going on. So that's something that we did that I'm really happy that we were able to do, is really sit down with them, talk, and build that relationship. And I would encourage other people as well to do that if they're thinking about investing here in Bali.
Yeah, so one key is most important things when you plan to build a property in Bali. Please work with locals and support them, and then so that in the future your building people will take care of it, and then you support them. So each other, like in Bali, philosophy is helping each other, support each other, and everything will be smooth.
Right. Thank you, Pancha.
You're most welcome.
So guys, I'm here with Jessie, and we are going over some of the oven designs, and we're also picking out some wood. So I'm super excited about this because it's about time that we get the wood selections going, and she's just showing me some other materials you can see here, which is really exciting. So I'll keep you guys posted on what we decide. I'm trying to visualize. It feels very Japanese. Okay. I like that. I like the bathroom a lot with the sunken sink. Something like these, but let me give you. Yeah, I'm still scared of this. Yeah. Okay. What's up, guys? So I just got back after a whole bunch of meetings, site checks, all of that. and I am just ready to relax a little bit. I'm actually about to just dip in the pool and then maybe take a nap because I have a whole bunch of more meetings this evening. I have team trainings for new hires again. And then I also have to prep for tomorrow. And so, yeah, it's going to be a busy evening for me. And I'm probably going to try to get to sleep early because tomorrow I have to meet at the notary to sign some last minute documents for the land with the landowner. So that's going to be another thing that we have to get done. But yeah, I'm just going to relax a little bit more because I'm done. It's been so hot today, like literally hot, and I just need to relax a little bit and just chill. Yeah. I'll check in with you guys a bit later. All right, guys, make sure you comment, you like, you subscribe, and join me on this journey. I'm going to be posting so much more content about what it's like to build in Bali, what the process has been like, and I'm going to be doing a lot more house shopping videos and vlogs. So I'm super excited for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next video, and make sure you comment all of your questions below because I'm going to make sure I answer all of them either in the comments or in the next video. So yeah, thank you guys.